guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna tell you a great way wherein you can get free products just paying shipping, and you get 6 products, not 1 or 2 but 6 free products for you to try. So if you want to know how I got these free products and how you also can get free products from how I got, then please keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then I think you definitely gotta subscribe and support me by clicking on the notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And now, without any further ado, let's just get started and know how you can get free products. Let me introduce you to an app. This is not a very new app or something. This is already there and this has been there for quite some time, but I wasn't feeling like to try the app in the first place. I don't know for what reason, but later on I decided, okay, let me give it a shot, and if I liked it, I thought I would tell you guys also to try it. So here I am, trying the free products from an app called Smytten. So the app is Smytten. All you have to do is download the app and sign up using your mail ID. And for that, so once you sign up, you get to try 6 free products. Earlier they had 3 products to try, but now they have 6 products, so you can add whatever the samples that are available in the it'll show you the feed wherein you can select the 6 products of your choice and add it to your cart. Once you've done that, you have to check out as usually, so you will not pay anything for the um, sample or the products that you've added, but you have to spend for the shipping. It is very obvious. And I also feel it's okay to spend on the shipping rather than spending a lot of money in getting the product itself. So how it actually works, how the app actually works is like, so you get to try the products for free, and then later on you have to review it on their app. So once you review it and you purchase products from their app, again you get to try another set of 6 products for free. So this is how basically the app works. There are several apps that provides you free products in the similar procedure itself. So I think Smitten is one of those, and let me know if you would want to see more of such things wherein you can get free products. I think this is quite interesting and also useful for those who doesn't want to spend a lot of money before knowing how the products actually work on their skin or their entire. I think the products that they have right now, earlier they were like very small samples. It doesn't even serve you for 1 or 2 usages, but this time, or the updated version of the app has a lot of products which are quite useful and or you know deluxe size samples, which I really liked. So I'm gonna show you the 6 samples that I got for free, starting off with. And also let me tell you the brands that I chose, or they have a very what do we say, trusted brand, and also they work really well. Good brands, yeah, good and trusted brands. So the first thing that I have in front of me is the Organic Harvest Shine and Glow Certified Organic Serum Mask with what, figs and gold dust. So this is the product. As you can see, this is a full size product for you to try, and I really like Organic Harvest because all of their products are made out of plant derived ingredients, which is quite nice. And also they don't react very much on your skin. Also they don't break you out or anything of that sort. So I really like the brand and I wanted to try the Shine and Glow range. I also have facial done with the Organic Harvest Shine and Glow facial kit. If you want to see that, I'll link it up in the iCard. You can see it, and this one retails for 99 rupees and you get a full size product. So this is the first one, and I've never had figs in my skincare or hair care before, so I'm quite excited to try it. So that's the first product. So the second one is the fuchsia detox face mask with activated charcoal. So fuchsia is also a brand which so many of them love. I never really tried anything from fuchsia before, but this is gonna be a best try, I believe. So I'm looking forward. And this one retails for 75 rupees and you get 15 grams of the face mask. I think this would serve me for how long? Maybe 3 usages. Yeah, that's the second one. So the third one is from the brand called Thwak. Okay, why? Okay, so the brand called Swak, and I've got the sandalwood and turmeric face mask, acne and oil control, 100% clay mask. So this is also a deluxe size sample. This is 25 grams and this one retails for I think 25 rupees. So yeah, I really wanted to try these sandalwood products because I've been hearing and coming across a lot of sandalwood benefits that people are saying, and I really wanted to give it a shot. I am trying to get the sandalwood itself, like that one you can do like this and apply it. If you know a place from where I can get sandalwood itself, please let me know in the comment section. So the next one is from the brand called Earth, if I'm not wrong. I'm sorry, AERTH. That's the brand name. Earth Charcoal and Green Tea Luxurious Butter Soap. As you can see, I dropped it once and this is what happened. So you can definitely say that this soap is very buttery. This one retails for 65 rupees and you get how much? 35 grams of the soap. I am definitely looking forward for this one because I am gonna try it on my face. So the next one is also from the brand called Earth Naturals, and this is a powder face pack from the same brand. Um, this is the face pack, the ingredient is moringa, if you know, and also I chose all the products which I've been reading a lot about. So moringa is also an ingredient which I am coming across a lot lately, so I really wanted to try this on. And also I read moringa helps in curing your acne also. So since I have a lot of acne, I think I am definitely gonna try this. Yeah, so that's the next one. And we have Lakme 925cc complexion care cream, and in the shade beige. So you get 3 sachet of it, 1.5 grams each. This doesn't say the price of it, but anyways you get 3 sachet, maybe 3 or 6 usages. I don't know if this is my shade. I have to open this up and see. So yeah, that's the fifth sample that we have. And to the last one is this. The last product is this one from Swiss Temple. This is for men actually. Pimple Clear Face Wash helps prevent pimples. This has tulsi and volcanic ash with natural extracts, paraben free. So Swiss Temple, when I was in Bangalore, I got a whole lot of Swiss Temple products but never tried them out and gave a review sort of a thing. Also, I'm gonna give this to my brother because he has a lot of pimples and he's so worried. So I'm gonna give this to him. Hope this helps him. So those were all the products that I got as a sample, as a free product from the app. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like this video and I will see you guys with another video. Till then, take care. Bye.